So welcome to another video. Today we have headphone of EKSA. Its model is Fenrir E7000 and it's gaming headset. At first we'll look around the box. Box design is normal. Now let's open up our headset. Here is our headset and nothing more inside the box. So I keep it aside and let's see our headset. Here is two cables and here is the main cable. So let's open it. I think it's pretty long and will be working nice. The wire is pretty good and long. We can use it. And now let's come to our headset. Here we have very beautiful design. It has LED lighting and we have our noise cancellation microphone. So firstly let's open this thing. They have very good quality packaging. So we keep our packaging aside and here is our headphone, and here we can see the model name and data is given. It looks pretty cool and this is very soft, so it will be soft for your head. And if we can increase the size by here, and it is very much flexible and it is plastic built. So if I want to say some key features of this headphone, then it will be its multi-platform compatibility. We can use this headphone in our PC, Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo, even in our cell phone. Then we can see it has immersive sound quality. It has 50mm dynamic drivers, clear audio, deep bass. So it would be very much helpful to the gamers who will be gaming. They can hear the footsteps of enemy. Then I have previously said that it has noise cancellation microphone and it's omnidirectional, the microphone, so it will be very good. Then we have ergonomic and comfortable PU leather earpads. So this also will give us comfort while we will be gaming, especially when the gamers will be gaming for a long time. Then we have a cool LED design and mostly it has affordable price. So if you want to light up the LED, you will surely like this. Now let's connect our headphone with the laptop, and if we connect the USB port, then we can see the lighting of the headphone. It's green light. It will look more cool in the dark. We can switch off the light and here we can see the green light. It's good, like it's horrifying in the dark. So now I want to check the real sound quality of this headphone. So it may have good lighting, but it comes to sound quality, and I'll take my mic inside the headphone. So let's go for it. So guys, you can hear it with the sound of this headphones microphone. I I think it's good and you can enjoy it. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you have liked it. Like, share and subscribe. See you in our next video. Bye bye.